it's me, Ashley. Today I'm going to be showing you my puppy. Come on, dance. Spin in the circle. Spin. She's a little shy. She's a cute little one. She's a type. Okay, if you guys ask what type of dog she is, she's a Pomeranian, and we're in my garage. My birds. His cage is okay. Fluffy, come on. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on. Good job. Good job. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Show us one of your tricks. Sit. 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 She won't do it. Good job. Just skinny feet. Okay. Good job. Spin. Spin. You could do it. You could do it. I know you could. Go. Spin. Oh, come on. And she's wearing a dress, by the way. She just did. Come on. Say hi. Yeah, she's a little fluffy guy. Come on, you have to dance. And no, she's not fat. I'm giving shout outs to somebody with a K and Santos. I'm giving a shout out to a girl named Diana. I don't know what your channel is. And yeah.